Alright, so Andrew Bowman with Bowman's Pro Turf, and I am sitting here actually in my lawn. Want to answer a question that we get all of the time, and it is, should we dethatch our lawn? And that is kind of a different kind of question to ask and answer because there's a couple different variables to it. For the most part, here in the Wabash Valley, we have cool season grass, so in our lawn is a turf type tall fescue. And yes, every lawn there's going to be a layer of thatch. And what is thatch? Thatch is kind of the natural material that builds up on the surface of the soil, right? So it builds up right here in the grass, and maybe it looks like some dead clippings, maybe it looks like old root debris, whatever it may be, that's the thatch layer. And dethatching is the process of going through your lawn either with a power rake or a special dethatching machine, and it kind of rips up that thatch layer, and then you're supposed to like rake it away and dispose of that thatch layer. Do you need to dethatch your lawn? If you are like me and have a cool season turf grass, no, you do not need to dethatch your lawn. The thatch layer that is here is a natural organic matter that will decompose faster than it will cause any issues in the lawn. The reason folks think they need to dethatch a lawn is because sometimes on certain turf grasses, if it is built up over time, it can create a barrier that will prevent nutrients and water from actually penetrating the surface of the soil and getting into the soil. The thatch layer will create that barrier. With cool season turf grasses, you don't have that issue at all. So when you ask the question, do I need to dethatch my lawn, you need to think about what type of turf grass you have. Is it a cool season? Is it a warm season grass? What's the use of your turf grass? Most of the time, folks that dethatch their lawn are just doing work just to do work, and it's not really necessary, when really all you should be doing is doing a core aeration of your lawn. Most of the turf grasses that will need to be dethatched are warm season turf grasses that are mowed very, very short to the surface of the soil, and that creates other issues. But we're talking like golf course putting greens, things like that. High maintenance, high level of use type of turf grass, so therefore the turf grass managers know, hey, we need to dethatch every once in a while and all that fun stuff. But on a typical cool season residential home, you don't need to dethatch. All you need to do is do a core aeration every couple of years. Hope that answers that question that we get a couple times a week. And so I figured I'd just put together a video so now I can answer it one time and send folks the link to that. So do you need to dethatch your lawn? It depends on what type of turf grass you have. Most likely not. Just stick with a simple core aeration. Have a great day.